What's up, YouTube?
Today I got something for UPS. It was raining, so they put it in like a plastic bag, knocked on the door, looked out, the guy was gone, plastic bag. So they got pretty good quality. You know, in front of my scissors. Oh, you're right. Yeah, you seen the scissors? I know I had them, but I forgot my phone. I lost the scissors and I just had them. That's bullcrap. Oh, hold on. Oh, well, no scissors. Wow. Well, screw the scissors. Let's just open them. Probably the first time you guys see my face. Receipt. Yeah. Airbag. And that's what I got a arcade fight stick, Street Fighter 4, Xbox 360, for my Ultimate Marvel Capcom 3, Mortal Kombat, and other fighting games. Open it up. Holy crap! Look at that. Has the little ticket of authentication. It's all taped up and it says unboxed. You just got a knife. Yeah, the box is a little beat up. It was used. I got it off Amazon. But yeah. Hey, alright. It didn't oh crap, it came with the headset adapter. So that was nice. And here it is. Oh, nice, new. Feels great. And great. Great. All the buttons feel good. So, wait, make sure there's a cord. And, yep, cord's all wrapped nice and neat in here. So that was it. That was my unboxing. I'll probably have more, not very soon, but soon. So, see you guys later. Hope you liked the unboxing. Vote. Rate, comment, subscribe, and stuff.